about that? Yeah. The way we win, got each other's back. Who's got my back? I got your back. Who's got my back? I got your back. Who's got my back? I got your back. Dominate this game. Dominate on three. Dominate. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Yeah. They're all black today, baby.
All black, everything. All black, man.
Peoples, you ready to go? Ready to do this thing? All right, your heart right? Let's go.
Hey, last one. Last one. Last one.
One more. This for you, man. Come on, man. This is my last time in the stadium, man. This is my last time in the stadium.
Virginia Tech Provost Tenacious.
Do it for me, man. I ain't coming back no more.
Director of Athletics with Babcock.
Do it for me, man.
Here representing Coca-Cola.
Hey, Mama, brother's keeper. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Hey, Mama, brother's keeper. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Hey, Mama, brother's keeper. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So when we go out here, we gonna play like we got brother's keeper, man. Let's go. Hokies on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Coach, man, thank you, man. Thank you very much, man. You're a legend, man. You're going to catch one of my games for sure, man. You're a living legend, man. It's been an honor, man. It's been an honor, man. All through the snap. Hey, play your game, dog. You feel me? Play it. Hey, 4 rounds doing this for everybody in the fans and coach people. Let's go.
Let's go.
He lets it go, he lets it go. Oh, hit him late.
Oh, no. He ain't down yet. No, look, the play was over.
The better than these dudes. Do your job. Do your job and compete. Do your job.
Tell you what, great first half. Great
30 more like that, man. 30 more.
We're up first now, guys, right off the get-go. Y'all got me? So we need to keep playing like we're playing. Let's get in there 3 and out. Let's get the ball back to our offense.
We got 30 minutes to get after their fast. Can you do it? Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. There's no reason. There is no reason. Get your head right. Get your heart right. You love each other. We've been through too much.
Hey, we got this thing. Defense, you guys keep playing great defense. Offense, we got to we're moving the ball. We'll put some points on the board. We got it. You guys hear me?
Sir, the only time they've had any little success is when we're soft and not getting lined up.
Rogers protects. Brewer, design quarterback draw up the middle. Michael cheating to the goal line. Michael is there. A rushing touchdown for the Hokies.
What the hell are we trying to do? Beams, man. You want to look at all? Yeah, showing beams right here. Here's some ball, baby.
And the snap comes back to Brewer. Serving, throwing to Ford in the middle, and it is caught. Touchdown, Isaiah Ford.
Everything on the field. There's nobody. Come on here. Take everybody. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Finish. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
That's a good team, guys. Yeah.
I hate to see you go.
Yeah, thank you.
I got this.
I thought everybody here gave it everything we had. Just didn't work out. But I'm going to tell you, we got one more shot next week. Don't put that head down. Walk out of here with it high and get ready. Let's have a great week of practice. You got me? And then get ready to get that thing next week. Yes, sir. I appreciate you. Love every one of you. Love every one of you.
Let's finish out strong. For us, for the seniors, for Beamer, and for Hokie Nation, man. Let's do this, man. Let's go. Hokies on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hokies.